Are you looking for different ways to use your essential oils? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite essential oil hacks and things that will make it a little bit easier to use your oils. I'm Mandy Sommers, and for the best essential oil education, along with some great YouTube growth tips, click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, and hit that subscribe button too. So I have been using essential oils for almost 10 years now, and I have found that there are some must-know things that are not always taught in the Essential Oils 101 classes. So my tip number 1 is to really help you learn how to get your oils out of your bottle. So the first thing is, they come with these orifices on, let's just see there. Can you see this? This is called an orifice. And this is what controls the drops that come out of your essential oil, so that if you open the bottle, and it dumps over, you don't spill the entire thing. These oils are precious, right? But sometimes we want to get that off, but we don't want to get our hands all dirty. So here's my tip number 1. Use your cap. Simply take it just like that, and use the cap to pop off that top. You just kind of push it right up against. There we go. I was having a hard time there getting it. So see, you just use that to pop it right out, and there we go. Now you have access to your full bottle. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, some people like to mix recipes up, and so you could use a dropper to put in there to get lots of drops out all at once. Sometimes this one it's about halfway full. And so sometimes people want to fill it with coconut oil, so that coconut oil is heavier on the skin, which means when you put that on, the peppermint isn't going to flash off the skin as fast, and so it will stay on your skin longer when you mix it with coconut oil. So that is tip number 1. Now, bonus tip for tip number 1, you can take that lid, leave it right in there when you're done, put that right on top, screw your cap back on, and voila, there it is. It's on perfectly, and you didn't have to touch that cap at all. Okay, are you ready for hack number 2? We've all gone through our essential oils, and we end up with a bottle that has maybe just a little bit of essential oil at the bottom, and we want to use all of it. But we're not quite sure how to really get everything out of it. And even then, did we get it all? Because these oils are so precious. So this tip is to take your almost empty essential oil bottles and put them in a jar filled with your favorite bath salts, so that you can get those essential oils infused in those bath salts. Now, there's another thing. This is my bonus tip for number 2 as well. You can do the same thing, but instead fill a jar of water, put all your almost empty bottles in there that you feel like would be a good diffuser recipe. Now, if you like diffusing essential oils like I do, every Tuesday I drop a brand new video with my favorite diffuser recipes in it. And so you can click the link below to go to that playlist, because every Tuesday I get a brand new video. So you can drop, let's say you have a wild orange and a peppermint, and you want to make that into a diffuser blend. Drop those in like 1 cup of water, let them sit for just a little bit of time, and then you can dump that water into your diffuser, and you have your diffuser ready to go. You don't have to add any drops to that. So that is tip number 2. Take your almost empty bottles, either put them in water, or you can put them in your bath salts. Okay, for our 3rd and final tip, this has more to do with our boxes that we get all of our products in. So this happens to be our shampoo box. We also get all of our products shipped in boxes, and I often am like, what should I do with this box now that I'm done with it? Of course you can recycle it, but if you want to reuse it, you simply open the box all the way up, pull all the flaps out like that, and now you just turn it inside out, and you have a brand new box. And I can ship anything I want in this cute reusable box. I absolutely love it. You'd put a little bit of tape across here. This works for our shipping boxes. It works for a lot of our products, just come in these boxes that you can completely break down and turn inside out. So that is my tip number 3. If you're an essential oil lover, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite hacks? Don't forget to check out my additional videos. I've got diffuser videos and I have additional hack videos that will be coming out every single Thursday of the next, I don't know, however long it takes. I've got hundreds of hacks. And so check back on Tuesdays for diffuser blends, check back on Thursdays for essential oil hack videos. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, I promised to share with you how to get my hack guide. And so if you go into the description below, there will be a link where you just have to throw your email in there, make sure to confirm it, and you will have that hack guide sent directly to you, to your inbox. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.